Introducing the FORTELION 24-volt battery module. In recent years, the use of service robots and automated guided vehicles, AGV, at warehouses has expanded in order to improve productivity and overcome the challenges caused by labor shortages. The use of lead storage batteries for these devices has become popular. However, consumers had issues such as the long charging time and shorter battery life, as well as inconveniences when exchanging or carrying them due to the battery's weight. These consumer demands prompted the need to replace lead storage batteries with lithium-ion secondary battery, which have a short charging time, longer battery life, and are more convenient when exchanging or performing maintenance work due to their light weight. Murata responded by developing the FORTELION 24-volt battery module that uses our unique FORTELION lithium-ion secondary battery, designed in the same size as lead storage batteries. The main characteristics of this design: size compatibility with lead storage batteries, application of Murata's unique FORTELION technology, highly precise remaining capacity calculation, dust and waterproof features that enable safe use outdoors, size compatibility with lead storage batteries. The size of this all-in-one type is the same as existing lead storage batteries, making it easier to exchange them. Application of Murata's unique FORTELION technology. We have achieved highly safe and long-lasting batteries compared to other batteries by applying Murata's unique FORTELION technology. High safety. FORTELION uses Olivine type lithium-iron phosphate for its cathode. Compared to general lithium-ion secondary batteries, the crystalline structure is thermally stable even if strong impact or pressure is applied, and does not result in overcharging or thermal runaway due to internal short circuits. Long life. Since the crystalline structure is solid and stable due to FORTELION technology, capacity deterioration becomes more gradual over time. This is why the battery is expected to have a life of over 15 years. With these FORTELION technologies, maintenance work is reduced and maintenance costs are minimized. Fast charging. Capable of charging up to 90% of the full capacity in approximately 1 hour, and charging is available during the waiting time of equipped devices. Highly precise remaining capacity calculation. Have you ever experienced the capacity suddenly dropping to zero, even if you thought there was a sufficient battery charge while using the device? The FORTELION 24-volt battery module provides a highly precise capacity display using Murata's knowledge acquired in the development of batteries for electronic devices such as PCs and mobile devices. Here, we will use actual examples of discharge curves to show you the precise remaining capacity calculation feature. Let's assume that continuous discharge is performed at 21 amperes. You can see that the remaining capacity is 50% in RSOC. Let's wait for it to reach 0%. As you can see, the remaining capacity can be confirmed in 1% units. This allows you to know accurate charging timings and enables efficient charging. Dust and waterproof features that enable safe use outdoors. Achieved the IP54 dust and waterproof level. Acquired the safety standard UL2271 required for light vehicle batteries. In addition to the all-in-one type, FORTELION 24-volt battery modules include the separate type that has the BMU battery management unit separated. Murata aims to help you improve work efficiency, reduce burdens of maintenance and charging work by replacing your lead storage batteries with FORTELION 24-volt battery modules.